We are on the big Essex Thrift trip. We've only been in one shop so far. I'll insert the footage here. Do you want to be in the vlog?
Yes.
Hi, this is the OG thrifty gang. There's so many of us. We've got like 15, 16 of us. We so far have fitted in all the shops, which is good. The ladies in Oxfam were so cute. They were like really glad to have us here, which is nice. I'm aiming not to buy too much. I have already bought a vase and an umbrella, just chucking it down. Hannah judged me for not having an umbrella.
I didn't judge you.
Judge.
This is a false narrative. She's
Spreading a false narrative. Yeah, that's charity shop. I'm not sure how much footage I'll be able to get, but I will do a haul at the end. Or if it's a long video, I'll do the haul in a separate video. But yeah, I brought a vase so far and this umbrella. We're now in St. Spillericay. Amy is modelling some good clothes here. Glorious. Brentwood, we've made it. Hannah's falling asleep. We've got, I think, 6 or 7 shops to do here. We've all put 2.5 hours in the car, so we've not got that long to do that many shops, but it'll be fine. Just in St. Francis Hospital. We've been doing like the rounds in Brentwood. I've not got anything yet. I've been being good. Oh, come be in the vlog. Hold on. Amy's finding something for me.
I haven't found it.
Oh, I do love that. It's in the vlog. I do love that.
Oh, I didn't.
Amy's finding bits. Okay, so apologise for the really chaotic vlog footage and actually not much at all. It was a very busy day. Everyone had a really good day, I think. I was slightly stressed a lot of the day just because it felt like a lot of pressure. Parking was an absolute nightmare. Didn't think when I planned it that it was Mother's Day and St. Patrick's Day, and it was hectic. Like, the roads were busy, the car parks were full, they were also expensive. And it was just the timings. You forget that when you charity shop by yourself, I can do loads of areas in one day. Suddenly multiply that. There were 16 of us, a lot, like most of it. And even just if every single person buys something or looking around, that takes a really long time. We did manage to get to all 3 areas I wanted to get to. So we did manage to go in all the shops apart from the Children's Society in Lee, which was closed. I did only pick up a couple of pieces. I was kind of too busy to shop, which kind of came crazy for me. And also, I don't need any more clothes. If you've watched my bedroom decorating video, you'll know that I am refreshing my bedroom a little bit and that my wardrobe is bursting at the seams. And I've got a new one. It's in the car. I need to unpack it and make it. I say that like it's a really easy task, but I need to actually I've got some Facebook Marketplace wardrobes basically that I need to assemble. Anyway, I did get some bits. They're all in this Haven's Hoss bag. I'm just gonna grab pieces and show you in no particular order. So I wasn't really looking at clothes. I was kind of only looking at bric-a-brac really. The only thing I did really want was a black blazer. Now, once we got to the last shop and I knew there was nowhere else we could go after this, I actually looked at the clothes and I picked up this blazer. This is from Mind in Leon C. It's a size 18 and it was £6 and it is just this blazer. It fits like an absolute glove. Again, you'll see this. I'm probably going to include this in one of my work outfits and I am filming them every day. So this is only £6, a lovely little tuxedo sort of style jacket. This is the label, sort of a vintage style, I think, and really cute for only £6. Such a bargain, and was actually the only piece of clothing I really wanted to get. However, I did pick up this little blazer blouse thing because again I thought this would be nice sort of work attire when it gets a little bit warmer. It is already new with tags, so I got this from Sue Ryder in Leon C for £4.95 and it's just this little cropped kind of blazer thing. I'm thinking this with some smart black trousers and maybe like a white blouse underneath could look cute, or just like a white bodysuit and this over the top. Thought this was really sweet. And for £4.95 new with tags, I thought it was a nice little easy work outfit, but equally still quite a cute one I could style otherwise. The next thing I got was from Haven's Hospices in Brentwood in their Relove store. Hannah actually picked this up and was like, Amy, this is very you. She does have one very similar and I've eyed that up before. So it's just this kind of tiered shift dress style. It's probably like a midi and yeah, it's just got kind of half sleeves and it's really cute. I don't actually even know what brand it is. So it's by Urban Bliss. It is in a size 14, so I'm not 100% sure if it will fit, but I'm really excited about this one. So this was £6, but I did get my staff discount, so it worked out about £4.80, I think. A really cute dress, again, great for work, but also just day-to-day as well, so super happy with that. The next thing I picked up was from Haven's Hospices in Leigh-on-Sea, and it is just this candle. They have Nougats candles in there, and this is one of them. I have used their Christmas candles before, but super excited to have one of their new scents. This is Tutti Frutti, and when I tell you this smells like fruit salad chewits, it makes me want to eat them. This is amazing. If you have a Haven's Hospices near you, go and smell this candle. I'm not sure if these are available online. I know their Christmas ones were, so it might be worth a look, but absolutely stunning. Love this. They also had strawberry, lavender, plum and rose, and passion fruit. The Tutti Frutti one was my favourite, so that was £6. The next thing I picked up, actually this was gifted by Latham Street, and they gave everyone who attended a tote bag, and it's just one of their Latham Street totes. Super excited to have my hands on one of these because I don't actually have one yet, and I'm very, very excited to take this out with me. It's a good size if you're just running out and you're not meant to get many items. Perfect for like an everyday tote, because I find some of my bigger ones are just too big for everyday. This is like the perfect everyday size tote. From Latham Street, I did pick up a necklace as well, and this was, I believe, £7, but again, I did get my family and friends discount, so I do believe this worked out about £5. I've been eyeing up this necklace for, well, the last probably 4 or 5 times I've been in Latham Street, but I've just ended up picking other things up and then leaving this. But I'm so happy that I finally own this because I think about it all the time. In fact, I might put it on today with this, but absolutely obsessed with that. They have some of their jewellery on Depop, so it's worth a look on the Depop page. In terms of bric-a-brac, obviously I'm doing my room colourful. So the first shop we went in, I found this kind of pastel purple vase. I thought, I've got quite a lot of, I can't remember what they're called. I'm going to show you it because I can't remember the name of this flower. I love these flowers that you get for about £1 normally. And I have loads over there that's dried out. These are a new couple of bunches I got the other day because they were reduced to 10p. So I picked these up and I'm going to let these dry out, and then I'll probably cut them down and then put them in that vase once they are dried out, because they are sort of my favourite flowers to have, and they look really pretty dried. So to dry them, also I'm not sure how you're meant to. I put them in a vase with some water and then leave them until they go brown, but they go really nice colour because the flowery bits still stay quite white. Love it. So I'm going to put them in here, and I might try and mix in some colourful dried florals as well. That was £2.49 from Oxfam in Billericay, so I actually purchased something in the first shop. I also, in that Oxfam, picked up an umbrella for £3, but I think it's still in my car. I need to go get it out and dry it out, but it was chucking it down, so best believe I was happy to see a donated umbrella in the shop. And then finally, from St Francis Hospice in Brentwood, I picked up these candlesticks and candles. So let me grab out the candle to show you. So like this ombre pink candle, and they just go in this pink, this clear sort of candle holder, and it makes it all look quite pink and frosted, and I just thought these are really, really sweet. I have got some coloured twisty candles as well, so I can sort of mix and match. So I got 2 of them, and they came with the candles, and they were only £3 for the pair. So thought these would be really sweet in my new decorated bedroom. I just ended this video and then found this. I forgot to say, I got this from the Reloved Havens in Leigh-on-Sea, and it's just this really cute little rainbow ornament. It's probably meant to be a Christmas tree, but I'm just going to put this up in my room. I think it's really, really cute and goes with the pastel theme I'm going for, and this was only £2. So that is everything I picked up. I really, really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to everyone who came along, and thank you to the stores for welcoming us with open arms. It was just so nice to be around loads of people who love charity shopping, meeting people I've maybe spoken to online, and then just supporting the stores. I think we raised over £700. I believe it was like 730-ish. So we raised a massive amount of money for charity. We got a really lovely day out of it. Maybe some sore feet, but it was just overall a really good day. So thank you to everyone who came. I definitely will be organising another one in the future. Maybe when it gets a little bit warmer, so hopefully we don't have the rain. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.